Hello friends, let us discuss some of the microcontroller boards available in market today. We'll go through those boards and we can see what are the things we can do and we cannot do, and what is their capabilities, and what are some of the applications we can design with those boards. So let's start with first Arduino Families here. These first four boards are Arduino Families. So as you know, this is Arduino Mega board. This is one of the very versatile board, and it has got lots of flash memory, as well as the CPU speed is also good enough to do programming. The RAM is 80 KB and the flash mem size is 256 kilobytes. This is Arduino Uno board. This is one of the most popular board among Arduino users. This is Arduino Nano. This is also very good board, and it can be used where there is a space constraint, and if you want to compact design your application or devices, anything you think of. This is Arduino Pro Mini board. This comes in two versions, 3.3 volt and as well as in 5 volt formats. So these first four are Arduino Families. As you know, they don't support Internet of IoT application design. They can support connection to other things, like you can connect with a Bluetooth, you can connect with a radio transmitter, all those things. You can connect with a ESP. This is ESP8266. This is one of the things that provides connection to Wi-Fi, and you can design your application or any interfaces that can control home lighting or home appliances. So this is one of the best board for IoT programmers or hobbyists. So this you can connect to any Arduino board, and indirectly or directly these two can communicate with each other. This is a very good board, but it operates with 3.3 volt. Whereas these Arduino family boards, they operate in 5 volt. Only Pro Mini comes in two format, 3.3 format and 5 volt format. So they can be used in either way. Coming to this STM, this STM32 board here. This is also very versatile here. It has many serial pin connection, TX pin, RX pin, and the naming system also is a little bit complicated. Its name is STM32F103CT T6. So it has got explanation for each one, and accordingly. The only issue here is that we cannot directly connect it and program it. We have to put these pins here. If you can see this, you can use in programming mode and boot mode. So depending on that, if you want to upload the program, you have to put that in programming mode, and then you have to connect to TX and RX pin and upload the code and switch back to run mode, and then you can run the board. So this board supports some of the pins support 3.3 volt and some support 5 volts. So this is a mixed kind of the pin voltage here. This is also good. I have used little bit only for few programs. This is a very versatile board. Coming to this Teensy, this is Teensy 3.2 volts. So up to Teensy 3.5 volt, this board supports only 3.3 volt, but up to Teensy 3.5 version, it's compatible even with 5 volts. So it is so tolerable to 5 volt. Whereas beyond starting from 3.6 onwards, they are not they cannot support 5 voltage. So for that we have to be careful that we don't use or power it through 5 volt. So there is a 5 volt regulator that converts internally into 3.3 volts. So this is one thing. This is not really so much in use, but the popularity of this board is increasing. So this is good. They have the CPU speed is very high, whereas the memory size is also very good enough. This is Raspberry Pi Pico 0. I really don't know, whereas so you consider this, you can directly, you have to upload the driver and start uploading the code through that. So this is the way it works. Let's see what are the things here we can do. In all the boards, it is easy to upload the code just by connecting the board directly and selecting the port, we can upload the code. No driver, nothing will be required. They internally take care of the Arduino IDE will take care, or either we might have to upload a driver if it is not supporting. This Arduino Pro Mini, it needs a adapter. It needs a UART, USB to UART serial adapter for connecting to USB cable, and then you can upload it directly. ESP8266, you need to install the board and then go to preference file of Arduino IDE and upload the board, update the libraries and upload the code. It directly starts working. So this is very easy. You have to select the boards and all those things. STM, you have to install the board, install the library, upload the code by connecting to TX and RX pins, switching into upload mode and upload the codes. And this also Teensy, again you have to install the boards, update the drivers and then upload the codes. So this is easy, no adapter is required. Same for our Raspberry Pi Pico. So as you can see, all are easy except STM32. It needs a special, there is an option though for installing and upgrading and all doing those stories around and connect it, and you can directly upload the code. But I don't want to go into that because I feel the main purpose of this microcontroller to design your application is not that we can keep learning the technical things and not do anything with this boards. So I feel the best board here for me is that ESP32 8266. ESP comes in 3-4 format, although there are many format here. It comes in ESP32, ESP01. This is ESP8266. This is one of my favorite board here. So, and then Mega that has huge memory, not really huge but still good memory. So this is Arduino Uno is for the starters, Arduino Nano also for starters, but many people use even for design application and connect it to multiple devices. But if you are using lots of devices and all those things, probably the best will be Arduino Mega, ESP8266 and Teensy also, Teensy 3.5 version here. STM also can be used because it has got many serial pins connections. So I never used Pico. I just tried once to upload the code and see how it works. It works good. So instead of Raspberry, this version which works in Arduino IDE, you can directly start using Raspberry Pi. Apart from this microcontroller, we still have many versions standalone. They do their support the microcontroller programming also. Raspberry Pi, BeagleBone also is there in market. They can be used. They are very versatile and sophisticated boards. So these are the few things. So hope you like it, and probably you can make your choices. I probably prefer using ESP8266 Mega. That is one thing, and these two, even the smaller boards in under Arduino family, even they are good actually. When you want to reduce the size of your design, device application design, or your whatever robotics design size, you can use these those things and these boards also. So thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.